Alright everybody, here we are. Though this live was supposed to be held at 2 o'clock or something, but I had some time, so I just thought of starting it even just before the timing. And maybe from tomorrow onwards, the main timing is going to be for the live is this only. So ultimately, what time is it right now? I'm not quite even sure. 1:36. So even I can say I'm late by 6 minutes. I just had a nap and then I kept taking the nap. It was just like that. So 1 hour is quite enough even for noon to just freshen up and get the like having lunch and other things done. As simple as that. So we are here. Let me check whether everything's up and running or not. I think there must be. I mean, of course, it's almost okay every time. So why not this time? So this challenge is gonna be 3 hour. Just like before, like just before this live, I had another live, and where uh, I had I had to sit in front of the chair for 3 hours or something like that. In front, not even in front of the chair, in front of the desk. Okay, it's no use explaining a lot. We are back again, and now we are gonna be getting the class started. It's not a class; it's just a live where I'm just learning. And one more thing, I've done quite enough. Like this is the project that I have to work on. So ultimately, there are two projects. The first one is Brandly project, and second one is this one. So first of all, I think I should work on this one. I will work on the Brandly project too. I mean, ultimately, I will be working on both. But before I start working on these things, I wanted to complete the Prisma project. How much is the what? Oh come on! Why am I getting this? Let me check the duration of the class, and as per that thing I would decide what to do next or not. Okay, so talking about the duration of the class. Okay, okay, I can see that. The duration of the class is 2 hours. Come on. Try creating a to-do application that allows users to sign up, add a to-do, and fetch their to-do. Okay, that's pretty much simple, but I will try to add some extra things: sign up, login, log out, add, edit, mark, fetch, delete, and all. So all these features will be added there. So yeah, it's gonna be a bit long one. Like it will take a little more time to just get the course completed, get the project completed. Apart from this thing, I will be adding front end too. So it's gonna be kind of the back end as well as front end, and there are gonna be design and routes and all on the front end side. And yeah, I will be using, I think, some other libraries for managing the state and all. I will be going through them. There are just 2 to 3 in my mind, mainly 2 in my mind, and another one is just simply hooks and hooks. So I will try to use some of them, and then we'll be getting this project done. As simple as that. For now, the class timing is 2 hours, and the previous one was okay. It's almost the same. So let's do one thing. Why not getting it started? Just give me a second, and then I'll be simply going ahead. There was a book that I had, and even I think I have got it in my file explorer. How can I check that? Okay, here it is. So ultimately I've downloaded it, and now I have to return it. This is the craziest thing. Okay, so actually on Audible you can return as many books as you want, and buy new ones. I would like to return this title. Okay, I've sent an email. I have emailed them. They will be just taking the steps regarding it and getting the things done. That's not really a problem right now. Our main focus is going to be going through another class of Prisma, that is okay. Remaining things will be written, which means mentioned from here on. So right now I will be just simply going through the another class of Prisma, and first of all our main goal is going to be getting that class completed, and once the class is completed I will simply revise the notes, and once all those things are done I will simply focus on the projects. So this is the plan for now, and I think within 3 hours I will be able to complete that. What time is it? It's better to get the things clear, like exactly what you have to do next, even if it takes 5 minutes. For me that's okay. Once you know exactly what you have to do, everything's clear, then you can easily do that. So right now I will be turning my something like that, I will be turning my mic off, and I will be just simply playing the background noise in the background, as simple as that. Alrighty, by the way, let's simply turn the songs off for now. We had to go through one more thing that we forgot, so let's go through that firstly, because we were working on that. So if we go through that right now, that would be better. We'll take care of the class later. This was the documentation that I was actually going through, and then in between I just started completing the revision section, yeah, something like that. And then because of that thing, this got left behind, and I think this is the right time to just simply go through it. Class will be taken very soon. So what we are saying here, add Prisma ORM to an existing project script and Postgres. Okay, we are just having a look at that. npm install, this is the thing that we are getting. Okay, you have to install Prisma in dev dependency. Then you can now invoke the Prisma CLI by prefixing it with npx. So npx Prisma. I'd like to see exactly the things how they are behaving right now. There is a way, like I have even noted all the things down properly. So ultimately you have to first of all install Prisma and save dependency. It depends on you. Once that is installed, you have to just initialize it. Once that is initialized, you can simply once you have written your schema, you have made models, you have to simply migrate it, and once that is migrated, the Prisma client that is automatically generated, and you can generate it on your own. And then this DB section, like you can seed it some data ultimately. So this particular thing is used for seeding. And when it comes to seeding, I did it in my last project, but in this one I didn't even do that. In the last project means when my tutor taught me, but right now this is the let me check. Okay, I think it should be here. We don't really have it here. We have Prisma, and then migrations, schema and all everything. And then we have this seed.ts. This is the seed file, which is mainly for seeding the things. How it works, that's what I have to check. So ultimately things are being converted right in here. How are these being converted, and what is the command? So command is pretty simple. Prisma npx db seed. So I have to seed something to my database. This is the command. But for that thing I need to save some, like I need to change my something in the package.json file too. So if I check the package.json file here, so Prisma tsx stands for it is kind of a package that is used to run Prisma mainly when it is seeding the file, as simple as that. And even I have installed it here, and that is why that's being used over there. So things are like this. So what I have to do right here, this is the previous project that I was working on, and what were the things that I had to seed: username, password, first name, last name, city and all. Okay, so these were the things that I had to seed actually. And there's already a lot of there are many things that we've already done. This is the last and the last winning thing that we have to get done. I can't even speak properly now. And this is the migration section. This is the main Prisma folder. Over here we will be creating a file called seed, if I'm not wrong. So seed.ts. We have the seed.ts file, and now we have to simply save the data in database, as simple as that. So let's import it. Let's see if we can actually do that or not. Prisma client, let's import it from here. Sync seed data. Function create dummy users. Okay, that's all right. Create dummy users. Something like this. I will be speaking like this only. Though if I want, I can speak really energetically with a lot of power. But the thing is that I'm gonna be sitting for many hours. I need to conserve the energy. To create dummy users, so I will be creating dummy users over here. Let's get the client. Client ultimately I'll name it Prisma over here. Prisma. It's gonna be about new instance of the class. So I have already created that. Now let's use a try catch block to just simply catch the errors. In any case, we face them. Error creating dummy user. Let's say dummy users. We are creating more than one users. So this is how we have to go ahead. Once we have written the code in the catch section, then we can go with the try one. And over here, just a simple thing. Await Prisma dot. We have to save the user data in user section. So Prisma dot users. I have to go through the documentation because I wanna know the ultimately authenticated things. Okay, you have learned many things like directly through the classes and all, but the main documentation you will find only in the website, and then you will have to go through the documentation, and then you will get to know more things, as simple as that. So await users dot what do you have to do? I have to just simply create. What do we have to create? One or many? I have to just create many. Sorry, one for now. And I have some data in the written format, so I'll be just simply typing that down. Ultimately, when it comes to data, so in users I need a username, password, first name, last name. So let's write the username over here. Username, come on, it should be username. It should be like, let's make it username. Username is going to be username. That's gonna be crazy, by the way. Username is going to be Kesha. Once we have the username, then we will be getting what I'm not quite sure. I need to check. Password, first name, last name. So let's go with the password. So password is going to be password 123. about this particular thing over here. And then first name again, that is Keshav here, and last name, it does take energy to just simply speak. So ultimately if I keep speaking for even 1 hour or something, I'll be exhausted. Something like this, we have done the things, and we even have to store to-dos. So ultimately we will be storing to-dos, and that's gonna be in the form of an array if I'm not wrong. To-dos, and here we have to create it because either we save them differently, like firstly I save the user and then the to-do, or if I want to save them together at once, then we'll have to just simply use methods like this. So I'm gonna save to-dos, and then I'm gonna create that, and then the remaining thing. So title is going to be go to the gym. I will be turning the sounds on here. Can't really speak, I don't know why, but I feel like my energy is being drawn when I speak. So at a time I can do only one thing, either I can explain or I can just simply focus on my work. So I'm just gonna be focusing on my work for now. Got that? I hope it's clear. Excuse me. Okay.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. push till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on can seize my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
Alright everybody, there's a thing. Right now my brain is not working at all honestly. There are two projects right now ultimately, okay. If I talk about the projects like I have to work on, so the first one is that to do app that has been given, but the uh, special points are like I have to use Prisma with the Postgres with the TypeScript with the proper authentication script. Proper authentication, so ultimately authentication should be there. Authentication should be there. So ultimately with all these technologies, I have to just make that to-do application, and then that will be done. Apart from that thing, I have to work on Brainly app that's mainly used for storing the links that you find online. So if there's there's an important link you want to save, so you can just save it in the Brainly app. So these are the two applications that I have to create, and I would mainly like to work on mainly first of all, let's work on the Brainly app, and after that you can move to that to-do application that will be using Prisma and Postgres, and I'm already familiar with all the technologies. Thing is that it's gonna take time working on all these things, and right now I just actually wanted to do something else instead of working on all these things. And then there's a video, so of course these two things I have to first of all make, and once all these things are done, then I can move to watching the video. So this is kind of the plan that I have. Right now I would like to just simply take a break. Though it was a 3-hour challenge, I will make it 2 hour. That's gonna be this thing. Well, this is kind of already done. Initially I just thought of making it 3-hour challenge, but I think if the lives are longer, you need to take proper breaks in between, so that at least your mind gets freshened up, and then it's ready to work on the new things again. For now, at least for half an hour or 1 hour, I'd just like to take a break, and then after that I will restart the things. So for now,